Hello and welcome back. In this session, we're starting our journey into understanding the Einstein trust layer, a critical feature that ensures security, privacy, and trust in Salesforce's generative AI capabilities. We'll explore its purpose, its key themes, and how it fits into the Salesforce ecosystem, providing the foundation for the more detailed lessons to follow. So what are we going to learn? Well, we'll understand what the Einstein trust layer is and why it's important, the key themes that make it unique, and we'll have a high-level view of how the prompt and response journeys work. So what is the Einstein trust layer? Well, the Einstein trust layer is a security-first AI architecture designed to make generative AI within Salesforce both secure and trustworthy. It enables AI-powered features while safeguarding sensitive customer data and ensuring that outputs are accurate, relevant, and safe. The trust layer consists of various safeguarding mechanisms, which we're going to explore shortly. So why does this matter? Well, with the increasing adoption of generative AI, security and trust are paramount. The Einstein trust layer addresses concerns such as data privacy breaches, misuse or mishandling of sensitive information, and unintended or harmful AI outputs. So let's take a look at a real-life use case, and I want you to imagine that you're a customer service manager, and you're using Salesforce's AI to generate responses to customer inquiries. With the trust layer, you can do this confidently using the AI features, knowing that customer data is protected, that responses are relevant and grounded in the organization's CRM data, and that no sensitive data is exposed to external systems. So what are some of the key goals of the Einstein trust layer? Well, first we have security and privacy. It protects user data through features like data masking and zero data retention. It adheres to data governance, so it ensures AI operates within Salesforce's permission and access control systems, and it provides transparency into AI operations with features like auditing and feedback loops. And it's flexible because it supports both Salesforce hosted and external AI models, offering customization for diverse business needs. And it empowers customers to define how data is used and what type of content AI can generate. So how does Salesforce do this? Well, the Einstein trust layer is made up of a number of features which act like safety gates for Salesforce AI, and every prompt follows this process. So first we have secure data retrieval and grounding, then data masking, we have prompt defense, the zero data retention policy, toxicity detection, data demasking, and the audit trail and feedback. Now these all combine to ensure the security of your Salesforce data. So let's walk through an example together so we can see the journey a prompt goes through. Now we're going to imagine that a user has just launched a prompt, and there are a number of ways which a user can launch a prompt, which we'll cover later on in the course, but we're just going to imagine that that prompt has been launched. So first, the prompt journey happens. Now this begins with data retrieval grounded in Salesforce data. It ensures that the data is dynamically fetched based on user permissions, and sensitive information is masked before the data leaves Salesforce. Now, system policies are used to protect against unintended, harmful generations or attacks such as prompt injection attacks or jailbreaking, and then the prompt is sent to the LLM, and this is where the processing happens and where the response generation begins. So this is where the magic of AI kicks in, and it generates a response based on the prompt, the grounding, and the context that it receives. Now, the information that's used to generate the response is forgotten as part of the zero retention policy. Now, we then get the information back, so it then goes through the response journey, and the response is scanned for inappropriate or toxic content. Placeholder text is demasked, which restores sensitive information securely, and then the response is logged in the audit trail. And it also includes citations to help users trace the source of the AI information. So, let's have a quick recap of what we've just covered. We know that the Einstein trust layer is Salesforce's secure AI architecture designed to enhance security, privacy, and trustworthiness in generative AI features. The key themes of the trust layer is security, data governance, transparency, flexibility, and control. And the prompt and response journeys ensure that data is handled securely at every single step. So this was a high-level overview to set the stage. In the next lessons, we're going to dive into the individual features, starting with secure data retrieval and dynamic grounding.